Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. So our today's topic is the present indefinite or simple present tense, and the sentences type we will talk today about is negative sentences. So let's begin with that. So the ideology will remain the same. करता है, करती है, करते हैं. And in the negative sentences, in Urdu they also end with ta hai, ti hai, te hai. When we talk about the methodology, so there is a little difference in the methodology as compared to the present tense and negative sentence. Subject, do or does, not, first form of verb, and the object. Now here the difference is we use do or does with first form of verb along with not. Now the question is to which subjects we use do and to which we use does. So for that we use do and does with the same pronouns to which we used s or es. As the example we discussed yesterday was he, she, it, any proper or improper noun, we use s or es. So to the same we use do and does. To which pronouns we use s or es, we use does, and to which we do not use s or es, to them we use do only. Examples are the same that we discussed yesterday. And the one very important point, we never use s or es with the first form of verb when we make the negative form of it. For example, if I say Sara Karachi में नहीं रहती है, Sara does not live in Karachi, so we won't say that Sara does not lives in Karachi, because that s, that complementary s that we used with the verb has now shifted towards this auxiliary, that is do. So it becomes does after putting complementary s to it. Similarly, we go to the further examples. वो चावल नहीं खाते हैं, they do not eat rice. तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुनते हो, you don't listen to me. So these are the examples. You can make a lot of sentences and translate them into English according to your own. So the next 5 sentences are attached with your diary. You're supposed to translate them in English using the same rules. Thank you very much.